When it comes to choosing a vehicle in today's market, reliability isn't just a nice bonus anymore, it's absolutely everything. Sure, thundering V8s and massive V12s steal the spotlight and get all the glory, but let's be real about what's actually under most hoods on the road today. V6 engines have become the workhorses of the automotive world, and they're not going anywhere as emission regulations keep getting tighter. These six-cylinder powerhouses deliver impressive performance while sipping fuel more efficiently than their 8 and 12-cylinder cousins. They're also cheaper to manufacture, which means more affordable vehicles for buyers who want to make smart financial decisions without sacrificing capability. The modern market offers countless V6 options, but here's the catch. Plenty of them will drain your bank account faster than you can say maintenance nightmare. Nobody wants to deal with constant repair bills that stretch across generations of financial struggle. That's exactly why we've put together this comprehensive look at the 10 most bulletproof V6 engines ever created. These are the motors that keep running when everything else gives up. Mitsubishi's 6G74 engine belongs to the Cyclone 5.6 family, and it stands as arguably the most dependable six-cylinder engine the Japanese manufacturer ever produced. From 1986 through 2021, Mitsubishi built these reliable motors and installed them in trustworthy vehicles like the Montero, L200, and even the Pajero Evolution, that homologation special most people have completely forgotten existed. Enthusiasts loved these engines because they could handle transcontinental trips without breaking a sweat. The American market saw the 6G74 engine most commonly in the Montero Sport, where it earned serious respect from owners. The 2002 Montero Sport received a stellar 4.8 out of 5 reliability rating from users, and the 2004 model hasn't had a single engine-related recall even after 2 decades on the road. This represents the kind of vehicle our parents' generation reminisces about: buy it once, drive it forever, never worry about replacement. Meanwhile, modern car owners find themselves shopping for new vehicles every 7 years, usually right when they finally paid off the loan. The timing couldn't be more frustrating. Critics love to joke that Ford stands for Found on Road Dead, but that tired joke doesn't apply to the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. This engine has proven itself as a genuine workhorse since its 2007 debut under the Twin Force name. Over the years, it's established itself among the most reliable V6 engines available. The first-generation Twin Force built a solid reputation for durability, and the second-generation EcoBoost took things further by adding more power, torque, and technical improvements. At its peak performance, this 3.5-liter V6 cranks out 660 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque in the Ford GT supercar, numbers that embarrass even some of Ford's legendary big-block crate engines. Ford also dropped this engine into the 2018 to 2022 Expedition and Lincoln Navigator, full-size SUVs known for cruising past 200,000 miles without major complaints. The F-150 received the EcoBoost treatment as well, and the engine proved its durability immediately. The 2011 F-150 had 6 total recalls over 13 years, but exactly 0 involved the engine itself. Mercedes-Benz introduced the M276 V6 engine in late 2010, and it's powered numerous modern models, including the SL-K, a dream car for many drivers without kids demanding backseat space. What makes this German engine so remarkably reliable comes down to engineering excellence. The naturally aspirated M276 features high-pressure fuel systems and direct injection technology that enhance performance, reduce emissions, and improve fuel economy. Depending on the application, it produces between 248 and 302 horsepower with up to 273 pound-feet of torque. Impressive output for an engine without forced induction. This motor doesn't suffer from the major design flaws or widespread issues that plague other engines. It also avoided the common problems associated with direct injection systems. The 2011 C-Class earned a 4.7 out of 5 reliability score from users and hasn't had any recalls to date, demonstrating its ability to perform consistently over time. Nissan faced a monumental challenge when they discontinued the iconic Skyline GT-RR 34 in 2002, They needed something extraordinary to replace the bulletproof RB26DETT inline-6 engine. The answer arrived in 2007 with the VR38DETT squeezed under the hood of the R35 GTR. This 3.8-liter masterpiece comes from the hands of 5 specially trained mechanics known as Takumi Master Craftsmen. The hand-built engine ranks among the finest V6 engines ever created for reliability, power, performance, and tuning potential. Stock configurations produce between 480 and 710 horsepower, but tuners have coaxed over 1,000 horsepower from these motors with modifications. The GTR hit American shores in 2009 as a reliable supercar, despite some transmission quirks. For anyone seeking maximum speed at minimum cost, this sports car remains tough to beat even after 15 years. Most impressively, it still hasn't experienced any engine-related recalls. The 1990s delivered great sitcoms, spectacular music, and the golden age of Japanese sports cars. The Acura NSX arrived in 1990 as one of the decade's biggest automotive stories. Unlike other supercars from that era, the NSX offered affordability, practicality, and remarkable reliability thanks to its 3.0-liter C30A V6 engine. The NSX production story reads like automotive legend. Designers wanted a sports car that delivered performance and speed, but required driver skill to extract maximum capability. The NSX became the first car with an all-aluminum monocoque chassis, resulting in a curb weight of just 3,020 pounds. This lightweight construction improved fuel efficiency, handling, and performance dramatically. The C30A produced up to 272 horsepower and 210 pound-feet of torque initially. Performance upgrades in 1997 increased output to 290 horsepower in the larger 3.2-liter C32B variant. This perfectly engineered V6 earned the NSX its legendary status in automotive history. The car still turns heads whenever enthusiasts roll one out at shows. Japanese engineers clearly understand engine design inside and out. From 1993 through 2007, Toyota installed the 1MZ-FE engine in dependable models like the Highlander, Avalon, Camry, and various Lexus vehicles. Producing between 194 and 242 horsepower, this V6 proved both reliable and excellent for tuning projects. The 1MZ-FE became a popular engine swap for the Toyota MR2, one of the last affordable Japanese sports cars. Modified examples can reach approximately 700 horsepower with aftermarket parts. It's also one of the smoothest Toyota engines ever built, with a flat torque curve perfect for highway cruising or daily commuting. Properly maintained examples routinely exceed 300,000 miles. Frequent hard driving can expose various engine problems, whether factory defects or user-induced wear. The MR2 probably saw more aggressive driving than any other Toyota model equipped with this engine. Despite its sports car nature, the 2005 MR2 has 0 engine-related recalls and received a nearly perfect 4.9 out of 5 reliability rating from users. Nissan returns to our countdown with the VQ35DE, one of their most successful engines. This motor-powered iconic vehicles like the Pathfinder, 350Z, Altima, Maxima, and G35 between 2001 and 2023. The VQ35DE served as Nissan's designated workhorse for over 2 decades thanks to incredible reliability, efficiency, and performance. Producing between 228 and 300 horsepower with 246 to 274 pound-feet of torque, the VQ35DE also earned praise as one of the best tuner-friendly Japanese engines with excellent aftermarket support. These long-lasting motors easily clock over 200,000 miles without major issues. The Altima represents one of the most common Nissan vehicles to use this engine. For the 2011 model year, Consumer Reports awarded the engine reliability category 4 out of 5, though the overall vehicle received average marks. Reviews of vehicles with this engine frequently share a common theme: nearly 200,000 miles and still running strong. Honda's J-Series 5.6, particularly the J35, powers some of the finest six-cylinder Japanese vehicles ever made. Through multiple iterations, the J35 supported the evolution of the Accord, Ridgeline, Pilot, and Odyssey over recent decades. Introduced in 1998, the 3.5-liter J35 gasoline engine produced between 205 and 310 horsepower with 229 to 275 pound-feet of torque. It received numerous updates over the years, offering an excellent balance of fuel efficiency, power, and reliability. Throughout its 25-year production run, it proved to be one of the most dependable V6 engines available. With proper maintenance, J35-powered vehicles commonly cruise past 200,000 miles without significant reliability issues. That kind of longevity represents a massive victory for Honda's reputation. General Motors' 3800 V6 stands as one of the finest yet most underrated six-cylinder engines ever built. While eight-cylinder engines like Chrysler's Hemi or Chevy small blocks typically grab attention as America's great automotive engines, many people overlook Buick's respected V6. Although less exciting in raw performance, it established new standards for reliability, maintenance ease, and fuel efficiency. GM installed this engine in the Buick Regal, Pontiac Firebird, Grand Prix, Chevrolet Camaro, and Impala between 1988 and 2008. The 1995 3800 Series 2 arguably represents the best and most popular version, producing an impressive 205 horsepower. The supercharged edition pushed output to 240 horsepower. Thanks to robust internal components, the 3800 Series 2 V6 remains a reliable and trouble-free engine today, racking up over 200,000 miles under routine maintenance. The top spot goes to an engine notorious for lasting over 250,000 miles. Toyota launched the 4.0-liter 1GRF EV6 in 2002, replacing the MZ-5.6 engine. It powers some of Toyota's most reliable used vehicles, including the 4Runner, Land Cruiser, Hilux, Fortuner, FJ Cruiser, Tundra, and various Lexus models. Toyota enthusiasts swear by this 4.0-liter V6 for its rock-solid reliability and lifespan exceeding 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. The fifth-generation 4Runner used the 1GRFE from 2009 through 2024, providing ongoing proof of this six-cylinder engine's incredible durability. These 10 engines represent the pinnacle of V6 reliability, proving that smart engineering and quality manufacturing create powertrains that refuse to quit. Whether daily commuting or weekend adventures, these motors deliver the dependability that makes vehicle ownership genuinely satisfying rather than financially stressful.